Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Man, today guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true RS car. It's an older restoration, but it's stunning, beautiful car. It was restored 04, 05. Complete, nut and bolt restoration. We've got the receipts for that in the trunk. Love the color on this car. It's actually Granada gold, but it's got a pearl clear on it. I'm glad the sun came out this afternoon so you can get a real good look at it. I mean, this color just jumps off this car. 18 and 20 inch Americans, new rubber. It's a 4-speed car, tach gauges. It's got aftermarket vintage air, 12-bolt rear end. Factory Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. The car was originally out of Arizona, but killer car, beautifully done. Love the color, absolutely love the color on this car. Good solid straight body. It was in 67, the SS's actually came with 350s, but it doesn't have the original motor, but it does have a 67 date coded, well, 67, 68 date coded 327 in it. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's a factory hideaway headlight RS SS car. You can see it's got the SS hood. It looks nice out here. It is absolutely freezing cold, so if I stutter or drop the camera, that's why. It is brutal out here today. Pretty paint on this car. Again, you would not think the paint's 14, 15 years old on this car, and it's beautiful. Front and rear spoilers. Again, you can see a couple little marks in the paint, but man, not a whole lot you can really pick. This car's been very well maintained. Again, a couple little marks, little touch-up spots. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Brand spanking new wheels and tires. It's only got, I can't remember, I'll get inside. I think it's like 3,000 miles, 30 some hundred miles on the car since it's been done. Pretty car, man. It's got the front disc brakes. Again, it's a era correct, we'll call it, 327, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. Car does have headers on it, power steering, power front disc brakes, HEI distributor. It's got vintage AC. Aluminum radiator with a custom aluminum shroud. And it's got all the RPO codes on the fender tag there for the RS SS, and it was a factory 4-speed car. You can see they've had the front end all apart. We took some good, it's got the chrome hood hinges. Original Arizona car. We took some good pictures underneath the car. Again, you can see a little crack in the paint there. So there's a couple little things to nitpick, but that's what we're down to, is just really nitpicking. It's very nice paint. A-pillar chrome's nice. You can see they replaced the door handles and the mirrors. Oh, it's missing the little whatever they call it is. Top there, that little rubber piece. I'm sure we can get that. Bucket seats, console. It's got the factory tilt wheel. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. $37.90 on the odometer there. Factory tach and gauge car. It's got an aftermarket radio, dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 323 limited slip rear end. It's also got the factory stabilizer bar. It's got the spare in there. These are all the receipts for the restoration. Aftermarket CD player. It's just painted black in here. Just got car's solid. Again, we took some nice undercarriage photos of it. We'll have those posted on the web for you. It's got a new fuel tank in it. Matter of fact, we had that replaced for the shop down the street. It had a dent in the other one, so we just sent it down, had a new one put in it. Wind blowing, this cuts right through you. Seats are nice, they've definitely been repadded. Tilt column, gauges look good. Pillow comes very nice. Good running small block, guys. Again, the air works. Runs out good, shifts out good. Pretty color on there. Parking brake works, your little indicator works in there. Gauges, your tach works. Looks like all the gauges are good, holding a good oil pressure. Again, parking brake does work. Gauges are working. The only thing that's not working is your clock. Clock's not working. Radio works. Blower motor works, guys. Doors open and close nice. Hideaways are functional. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty car, man. 4-speed, 12-bolt, true RS SS. It's got a great look to it. That's just a nice car. I'm glad we got some sunshine, man. You can see that color on that car. Have a great day, guys.